Hi and welcome everyone to Speed and Need. The thrill of electric performance, the redefinition of sports car by introducing the all-new Polster O2. The Polster O2 concept is a two-door hardtop electric roadster, riding on a bespoke aluminum platform set to underpin the 2024 Polster 5. The design is similar to the pre-concept with sharp and minimalist line. A drone can be deployed autonomously, follow the car up to 56 miles per hour, filming content that can be edited and shared directly from the car. And these will be shown in the videos in front of you. The pre-concept was already introduced in 2020 and it promised reaching the production in 2024, as in the Polster 5. Polster is showing us what they can do with their all-new platform, the 5S, with the O2 concept, sharp two-door electric roadster. O2 is an electric roadster concept that reclassifies the sports car, no roof, no noise, and no fumes. Polster is trying to show, for you to be premium is to drive electric. Showing that the premium choice, the fun choice, and the sustainable choice are one and the same. The exterior design has clearly been influenced by aerospace design, both aesthetically and aerodynamically. Rather than resort to outlandish wings or spoilers, the O2 features integrated aero ducts in the wheel arcs and the rear lights that double as the air blades. Stiff, responsive, and incredibly light. The unibody of the Polster O2 is made from different grades of anodized aluminum, bonded by adhesive and oven cured with highly favorable strength-to-weight ratio. Apart from enhancing the performance, the blonde aluminum allows for more design flexibility, catering to different wheelbases while maintaining the precision and the detail, and of course, all made with sustainable material innovations. Paired with carefully carted color combination, it elevates comfort to a new level. And one new thing that they introduced that is very new to the car world, Polster O2 doesn't just elevate the driving experience, it also allows you to record it. Housed in the rear is a cinematic drone that can lift off and land while the car is in motion. It operates autonomously, allowing the driver to select atmospheric and action-filled sequence when the O2 is parked. Videos can be edited and shared directly from the central display. This technology is introduced only by Polster at this moment. Possible range of 310 miles. The front end has a similar sharp LED light design with no grille cluttering things up. Minimalist theme carries on over the whole car. The rear end is dominated by full-width light bar and a very slim LED tail light. There's also metal folding hardtop, which gives more coupe-like side profile. The interior of the Polster O2 seems to have been lifted from the upcoming Polster 5. This means fairly minimalist design, the huge screen in the middle of the dashboard. Until now, we have no official detail have been revealed with regards to the battery on offer in O2 concept. However, it's safe to assume that they will be shared with the upcoming Polster 5.